Hello everyone, I am Vamik Khan, currently pursuing BLLB from Vivekanand College of Law Legal. Currently, I am also legal intern at Lexis and Company Law Firm. So my presentation topic is educating a girl child means educating a family. Ask you also earnestly to open girls' schools in every village and try to uplift them. The condition of women are raised, then their children will. By their noble actions glorify the name of the country. It is said by Swami Vivekanand. Today's girl child is the mother of tomorrow. As a mother, she can give her child a sound nursing and making upbringing. A woman has the maximum impact on healthy and the social and the economic decisions in the family. At the micro level, an educated woman helps in making the whole family, including the older family members, understanding the value of importance of education. And at the macro level, an educated woman adds to the social and economic development of the nation. Girls' education is like sowing the seed which gives rise to a green, cheerful and full-grown family plant. In ancient times, girls' education had a significant place in society. Gargi and Maitri played very encouraging roles in spreading education to a great extent. Women's social condition is starting deteriorating with the passage of time. Instead of giving them education, they were being subjected to sufferings under Purza system, child marriage, etc. In some states, female infanticide is prevalent even today. A new culture of elimination of female fetus has gradually become rampant. Discrimination between the education of girls and boys is common in rural areas. Many parents feel that the education of girl is wastage as they will go to their husband place after marriage, and more dowries would have to be paid for a more educated girl. The poverty and illiteracy among the people is also a big reason for not sending the girls to schools and college. But things are being changed through slowly but steadily. The various awakening programs launched by the government for encouraging the girls' education, the introduction of TVs in rural areas, and the 33% reservation gives to females in panchayats have played a positive role in this direction. Now the importance of education the girls is being felt. Several other policies like 30% reservation to female candidates in services, enhanced subsidy to girls entrepreneurs, various self-employment schemes launches for the benefit of women like Women Entrepreneurs Development Program. Self-help groups of women have resulted in mobilizing and directing the parents to get their daughters educated. Educated women can help in irrigating many social evils prevalent in the society, like dowry, killing the female fetus, discrimination in the matter of education of the girls, illiteracy, and so on. Many programs of the government like population control, polio eradication program relating to the development of the rural area in which cooperation and coordination of the rural masses are necessary can well be taken care by the women representative of the panchayat. It is undoubtedly true that girls' education stimulates educational consciousness and civic sense among the family members. She can teach the family members more comfortably than anyone else. Illiteracy is the cause of many ills. The present day corruption in the bureaucracy, particularly in the implementation of the schemes for the development of the rural segment, to a large extent is because of the ignorance and illiteracy among the rural representatives. A woman influences the activities and decisions of her family more than anyone else. The educated girl can shoulder any kind of responsibility. She the example of Kalpana Chawla, Kiran Bedi, Sonia Gandhi, Mamata Banerjee, Mayawati Jayalalitha, and Sushma Swaraj, Yuma Bharti, and so on. All of them have earned a name in the society in our country. For the more important as she not only builds a home but all routine responsibility are taken care by her. An educated woman not only helps in nourishing the family in a better way but can also help in earning. It is rightly said that the God make the mother because he could not for present everywhere. A woman cares the family like a god. Charles Fourier, education for a girl child means making the next generation well educated, full of virtues, free from the usual superstition, confident and capable to do something good for the family, for the society, and for the country as a whole. The present girl is the mother of tomorrow. Give me good mothers, and I will give you a great nation. Napoleon said that a woman is the most crucial and prevents entirety. She must be given all the necessary education. Ignoring her, keeping her illiterate means were creating an illiterate and ignorant generation. So it is perfectly true that educating a girl child means educating a family. Development cannot be accelerated unless girls are giving the right education in the right direction. Swami Vivekananda has rightly said, educate your women first and leave them to themselves. Then if they will tell you what reforms are needed. So thank you and have a nice day.